Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Special Nicole, and today we're going to get into my hair and skin routine. So it's evening time and my hair has pretty much been in a bonnet all day and it's looking real dry and flat and crusty, and it's a no, girl, it's a no. So what I like to do is go ahead and let the steam from my shower just hit my hair and liven it up a bit, and now you can see it's not as stiff. It has a little movement, little sheen, and it's back to life. I usually let steam from the shower hit my hair either in the morning or evening time. So now I'm going to take this Talia Waheed spray and just spray my scalp. It's like a protective mist. It helps with itching. My hair is kind of in need of a wash. So I'm just going to spray areas in my scalp to kind of help with that itching and just get a little relief for the night. I've been using this product throughout my 6 months, almost 6 months of my lock journey, and it's been real helpful. I don't use it often, so it's not something I use daily. It's pretty much just when I hit that moment where it's in between washes and my scalp is kind of irritating me. It's a lifesaver, so I will link it below if you think you need it for your scalp and your lock journey and all that good stuff. Alright, so next I'm going in with another Old Faithful that I've been using since my lock journey began. This is Talia Waheed Healing Oil, and I'm just going through and oiling my scalp because my hair, none of it has even seen oil in probably 2 weeks. Don't judge. I slack heavily when it comes to this kind of stuff in my lock journey, so I have to do better. But I am using this and just applying it to my scalp and various dry areas. I'm going to massage it in. You'll see me do that in a few, and that's pretty much the only oil I'm using tonight. Okay, I lied. I forgot I'm actually going to apply this Jamaican black castor oil to my edges. I do try to remember to do this at least once a week because I want my edges to grow and thicken out. So yeah, I did apply a second oil. Now that I finish applying all the oils that I am going to use on my hair, I'm just going to make sure I'm massaging it all in, and then I like to kind of run it through the excess from my hands through the actual ends of my hair just to keep that kind of moisturized as well, since it's been neglected for a little bit. Alright, so my hair routine is kind of complete now. This is just a little overview of like what I do on a weekly basis. I wouldn't say I do this every day, but at least once a week. Here are some texture shots just showing you kind of what my hair is looking like at almost 6 months. We see we got frizziness, we see the twist pattern is leaving. We see something's going on with my hair at 6 months, honey. It is just coming through. So I just wanted to share those texture shots with y'all so y'all can get a little update on how my hair is transitioning and changing. So now it's time for the skin. I'm just pulling my hair back to keep it out of the way so I can get to my face better. So I'm starting off with the Urban Skin RX Cleansing Bar. I have the Even Tone line, and I cleanse my face every morning and evening. So I wash my face twice a day, and I use this product. I've been using Urban Skin RX products since the summer. I did a 30-day challenge using them just to see if I got results, and I did. I wrote a whole blog post about it. I'll link that below with pictures showing how my skin looked before and after. And no sis, it's not sponsored. I wish, but it's not. I love using this little sponge that comes with the product, and just being able to wash my face without having to use my hands has been a moment. I enjoy it. Alright, so now I'm just going to wash off the soap I'm just using a washcloth for the purposes of this video, but you can just throw water on your face if that's what you prefer. Next up is the Even Tone Super Glow Serum. I love this serum. It does the job and gives the glow, honey. I love it. So I just apply drops across my face and then I rub that in and let it soak into my pores before I apply my next product. So the next product I'm applying is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask by Avant. I got in a BoxyCharm box last year, and it is a great moisturizer. I love it for its purposes, being a sleeping mask and applying it in the evening time, because after going through my entire routine, I always feel a little dry, and this just helps to soak in that moisture. Right, and the last product I'll be applying is a Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I also got this out of a BoxyCharm box, and I like to apply this last to just seal in all that moisture, all of those products that I just applied. And again, I just want to glow, so I want to be glowing when I wake up in the morning. PSA, I am no esthetician. I do not know all of the rules. I'm just sharing what I like to do for my nightly skincare routine. Well, that's my evening routine, but what's yours? Drop your evening or morning routine in the comments below and I'm gonna meet you there. See you on the next one. Bye.